Do you feel like you're drowning in credit card bills, juggling line of credits, and struggling to make ends meet? Do you wish you could crush all that debt with just one mortgage payment and finally breathe again? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how homeowners across Ontario are doing exactly that, moving from chaos to clarity without the stress. Hey, I'm Adam Walker, your mortgage coach here in Southern Ontario. I've been through the banking side and I've learned how homeowners get sold that easy but costly debt solutions. Now, I'm here to ditch that high interest debt and help you build wealth through smarter mortgage refinancing. You brought the debt, I'll bring the plan so you can walk into financial freedom a lot faster. Step one, let's evaluate your current debt load. Let's start with a reality check. Collect every line of debt, your credit card balances, your lines of credit and their rate, car loans or personal loans, or any other liabilities, things like student loans or medical debts. Most clients, they're shocked when they see it all laid out. But this is where transformation begins. You and your numbers. A 2024 study confirms that Canadian credit card debt averages around $5,000 per household, and that includes student and line of credit debt. Seeing your full financial picture means you know where you stand. That feeling of overwhelm starts melting into strategy. Step two, let's review your current mortgage. Let's analyze your mortgage interest rate, your remaining balance and amortization, and what those prepayment penalties might look like. If you know your terms, that gives you control. You're not guessing, you're calculating potential savings. Step three, we're going to build a consolidated budget. This is where we build your plan. We're going to compute your new monthly mortgage payment with consolidated debt included. We're going to compare your payments side by side, your old versus your new monthly obligations. We're going to show you your savings. We've had clients save almost $2,000 every single month. Let's give you an example. We recently helped a family who was paying $28.50 monthly across all their cards, lines of credit, car loans, and everything else that they had to pay. By consolidating $62,000 into their mortgage, their new monthly mortgage payment dropped to $1,989. That was $861 back into their pocket every single month. That extra money went towards an emergency fund. It helped pay for kids' sports and school expenses. It went towards starting a TFSA, and they had some more debt-free freedom. This isn't about more debt with bigger risk. It's about structured debt under control with a plan to build, not just survive. Avoid those home equity line of credit traps. Trust me, I worked a long time in the bank. They get paid big money to push those home equity line of credits. They seem flexible, but here's the downside. The interest only term means the only payments being made are to the banks. You're not paying down any principal. The temptation to reborrow, it keeps that debt alive. This is making the banks big time money. Those variable rates, they can spike and it happens unexpectedly. In contrast, when we do a closed refinance, it fixes your amortization and your payment schedule. Clients I work with, they love that structured refinance, and most stop making minimum payments and start paying down debt. We're not here to play the debt game. We're here to win it. No more spinning your wheels on that home equity line of credit. The next step, let's submit your refinance application. When you're ready and you've reviewed everything, here's how the process flows. We package your file, the credit report, your income, the appraisals, the outstanding debt statements. We look around for lenders. We bring offers from major banks, credit unions, and monoline lenders. We look at the best rates and the best strategy, and we submit your file to be expedited. We specialize with brokers that turn these files around in days, not weeks. We focus on lenders that understand debt consolidation. Some banks, they shy away from lumped in debt. Others, like some of those monoline lenders and credit unions, they welcome it and reward it with better terms. You're not guessing, you're comparing. You're picking the deal that moves forward the fastest. Why does this work better than the bank? Well, here's something that they're not going to tell you. They profit when you stay in high interest debt. That's how the shareholder value is built. In my 17 years working in a major bank, it showed me how advisors steer clients towards those home equity line of credit, even when mortgages would have saved them thousands. It's not malicious. It's how the system's set up. Here's how we're different. We're client first. Your payment matters more than their profit. We have multi-lender access. We're going to get you the best mortgage. We have ongoing coaching. After closing, we stick with budgeting, savings, and paychecks. This isn't a mortgage, it's a foundation to rebuild your financial future. And we don't do it alone. We work with some of the best financial planners to help you build a budget and make you win. Let's share a real life story. Kind of touched on it briefly earlier. We helped a local family. They had two kids on two different hockey teams, a car lease, lines of credit for home improvements, credit cards that just kept creeping higher and higher with every new hockey tournament. They owed $62,000 and dreaded that call every single month when their Visa statement came due. They came to me feeling overwhelmed. Their credit cards were charging 20 to 22%. Their loan interest, it started at 3 but was going up to about 8 to 12%. Their combined monthly payments, they were becoming unmanageable. What we did is we reviewed their full credit file. We confirmed their mortgage terms and that mortgage prepayment penalty. We built a cost comparison model. We chose a lender with a great product. We closed and helped them drop their payments $861 a month. We handed them a path to build their savings by redirecting that money, working with a local financial planner. Today, they're on track to be debt-free in about 30 months. They're saving a little bit more money that they used to spend on interest. They feel super confident. You can only imagine that victory moment. No more struggling every month. You own the plan, you own your future. Let's build your right now plan. Here's what we can do starting today. Gather all your debts and your current mortgage terms. Use our debt consolidation calculator on our website. Schedule a free strategy call with me. No pressure, just clarity. Get a draft refinance estimate. Let's show you all of your potential savings. Meet with our financial planning partners. Let's structure a budget and wealth building. Let's lock in your refinance, roll in all those debts, and finalize with confidence. You don't have to stay stuck. This is a plan built for action and results. Here's your roadmap. Let's uncover your full debt picture. Know your mortgage and your payment terms. Create a consolidated payment plan with clear savings. Let's ditch that home equity line of credit trap in favor of a structured refinance. Let's submit, close, and walk away with one payment. Keep building wealth month after month. No more debt surprises. No more juggling minimum payments. You control the game. That's not a fantasy. It's what real Ontario homeowners are doing right now with a plan and a coach by their side. If you're ready to break free from debt and start building wealth, book your free strategy call below. We'll run your numbers live, compare lenders, and map out your path to a single stress-free mortgage payment. Or grab our debt consolidation mortgage calculator on our website, and you can see your monthly savings unfold instantly.